What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is How Walking Home Turns Into a Felony. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's see.
Tracy, and I see this girl walking up. Baby was like a rag doll, like a rag doll. It was off the curb, crawling like by the yellow line, and the cars like that. Baby was in the street when I pulled up. Okay. That child was crawling in the street.
Trying to get a hold of her for 3 hours now.
I got you.
And I got a hold of her probably 30 minutes ago, and she said she was on her way home. And I asked her, I said, "Are you intoxicated?" She started laughing and joking and saying, "No, I'm not drunk."
Everything fine?
Yeah,
okay.
Obviously.
Someone called 911. They were concerned about the baby. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go. This is ridiculous. I was just with my girlfriend who lives here. Okay, amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
You said your girlfriend lives here?
So much, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Ma'am? Ma'am, come here for a second. Come here.
What do you need?
Okay.
Where the baby pants? Like, what? Where's the baby pants? Nothing like, oh man. Yeah, man, feel bad for the dad, man.
Are you staying here at the hotel?
No, I have a...
What room does your girlfriend live in?
I don't need to answer that.
Ma'am, come here for a second.
No,
Stop.
sir.
Listen, you got a baby.
You don't need to
stop
do
and
anything.
relax.
No, I don't trust you. I don't know you. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, stop. Just relax.
You're freaking me out.
No. Relax.
Why, what the
Relax.
whatever is going on, you're freaking me out.
Relax.
We got called. By what? We got called by a pacifier.
You can relax. You're not in any...
Not in trouble. Just trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, I literally just showed. Okay.
Oh yeah, the boys pulled up on the
So
bike.
what's happening?
That's okay, ma'am. Where do you live?
I live across the street.
Where? What's the address?
Some street. Where the f is your address? Okay. Why do I have to answer?
Ma'am.
I don't know what is happening. I feel really threatened by all of you. I'm on private property. I don't know why this
Ma'am.
You're not staying here.
I'm the supervisor.
I can
I'm the
pay
supervisor.
for this.
Just calm
It's
down.
fine.
I'm the
I
supervisor.
don't know who you are.
I'm the supervisor. Let me just talk to you for a second, okay?
Who the f are these people?
They are the police.
Show me a
You know
warrant.
this lady? Is she staying in your hotel?
He's gonna let go of my shoulder right now. Show me a warrant or do not. I was trafficked as a young woman and I just dealt with that. I don't trust any of you. For a goddamn second. Get away, get out of my face. Get out of my face. Why are you guys all surrounding me? No, I don't trust any of you. Look, my car is in here. I am just trying to go home.
Tell me what you drive.
What kind of car do you
Really? What do you need?
So she's gonna find
For my husband to go home.
Yes, well, we're trying to help you with that.
We're trying to help you as best as possible.
What do you need? What am I doing that's illegal?
So,
All right, bye.
Do you mind if I explain?
No, you're not.
No, wait, you sir, you
You're gonna
cannot
go to
detain
jail.
me.
I'm
I'm
telling
going
you right
to
now.
jail. Why am I going to jail? What the f is happening? I don't know what's happening. No, sir, I will not give you my child. Sir, sir, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm not resisting anything.
You're not, it's okay.
Please.
You're okay. You're okay. We're gonna help you.
No, you're not. You don't have any right to
We're gonna help
detain
you.
me.
We're gonna help
Sir, you have no legal...
That's a good baby. Baby didn't cry. You know, kids are so innocent. Kids are so innocent, man. And, you know, a lot of the things, you know, are taught by, you know, the parents, whether it's good or bad, you know, but yeah, that's a good baby though. The baby didn't cry or whatever. Okay.
Right to detain me. Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained
I'll explain to
specifically?
you.
No, I need you to tell me right now.
We are worried about the kid.
Okay.
You're not in the right state of mind right now.
Okay, but like I've never been in trouble, so like cool. Why am I being detained like a real criminal? Why is this happening?
You got no cell phone?
Why is this happening? Why? I want to know why this is happening, sir. Anybody, document this. Why is this
We
happening?
have body cameras.
Okay, great.
Documenting everything.
Why is this happening?
Because you are not in the right frame of mind, and we are
I can call my
trying.
mom. I can call anybody. What did I do? Anybody?
You are obviously intoxicated. This kid is out in the cold. Look what he has on. Okay? This is the start. Now, all we're trying to do is help you. If you can give us someone that we can contact with a good number that's going to come down here and explain what's going on.
I guess nobody gives a fuck, so nobody's coming. If they obviously haven't picked up the phone. So, I guess we have to go. I don't know what to say to you.
So you want to go to jail?
No, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay,
My
then
son
calm
is fucking
down.
well taken care of. I don't know who the fuck you are and why I'm being detained.
All right, you want to go to jail?
No, I don't want to go to jail. I don't know what the fuck is happening.
And give us a number to call.
I've already said a couple numbers to call.
They're not answering.
We're actually just trying to help you.
I don't know why you think this is helpful. I literally just wanted my husband to come get me, and you guys are arresting me in front of my fucking building. I don't know.
I ain't gonna lie. That was the first thing I said. I'm like, yo, where the baby pants? And then come to find out it's actually cold outside. That's crazy. She need to be going inside somewhere. Like, what is she doing? Just roaming around? Baby ain't got no pants, no socks, no nothing. Like, and you know, everybody say, you know, Florida is hot, this and that, but it can get chilly at night, man. It can get chilly, and that baby don't need to be out there like that.
Take him to another spot. Is he home over there? Is he home?
You're taking me in my home.
Is he home?
We're gonna try to take you to.
Okay, then that's where we're trying to go.
We're just gonna help you.
That's where we.
We're just gonna help you. Okay? It's okay. Can I help you put your seatbelt on?
No, I don't trust you.
No. I need to go get a master's degree.
About me right now. Don't pretend like you care, please. Everyone's trying to
That's what we're trying to make you understand. If we didn't, you would be still out here running in the streets.
Dude,
we're trying to find something for you.
I'm not fucking doing anything.
But he's trying to figure out why you was out here running around like that.
Getting my fucking friend. Like, we're not allowed to fucking be geniuses and fucking kill some goddamn math in the middle of the night.
But the kid had just Pampers on. Like, no
Yo,
clothes
bro,
on.
my kid fucking just got out of school. Yeah. He fucking just had dinner.
Yeah,
there
but
is
it's
a ton of shit.
It's 9 o'clock at night.
I don't give a f. He goes to sleep at 9 o'clock at night. Are you kidding me?
That's what we're
He's
saying.
called part of like the weaning process. He doesn't have milk right now. He fucking chills and eats dinner with his dad, and then he goes to bed by 8:30. Like, I'm not
9 o'clock now, though.
ridiculous.
That's what I'm
You know, by 8:30, you was out here.
That's what I'm saying. It's 9 o'clock.
We were trying to get home. I already talked to his father. You can check my fucking phone calls. I don't have to talk to him.
Do you know where your phone is at?
Call him.
Your child wasn't crawling in the sidewalk?
No, nothing was happening. We weren't
Understood.
here.
Somebody passed by, and that's what they saw, and they called, and that's when we
Great.
showed up.
Well, you can ask the fucking person in
What's your friend's name?
on Liliana.
Liliana, she stays on the 14th floor. You know this doesn't go. You know this doesn't go up to 14 floors.
I don't give a f. Okay, 14th floor. He lives there.
On this one or this one?
I don't know. Whatever the f the address is, right there. I don't know.
Take her to jail. Nah. I get it. They trying to be lenient, and but bro, danger to the welfare of a child. Something, cause she not even trying to work with the cops. It's like the cops is trying to find a spot for her to go or whatever, and you're not even trying to work with nobody. You just being hard-headed, and being hard-headed, you know, a hard head makes a soft. You know what I mean? Listen, I know your parents done told you that now. So,
Okay, what did I do? Hello? What did I do?
You just said what you did. I say you went to your friends, but you couldn't find your way back home, I guess.
No, I can, sir. I have to go straight to the center section, but I'm just wondering, why am I detained? What is going on? No, what did I do? What's going on?
Here, stand up for me.
I don't know who you are. What's going on?
My name is Officer Smith. Will you stand up
What
for
did
me?
I do? No, I won't. For one moment. What did I do?
You're being arrested
For what?
for your child crawling in the middle of the street.
No, my child was not crawling in the middle of the street. Where's my husband?
Your husband took the baby and went home. Huh?
My child was not in the middle of the street.
We have a witness that states otherwise. Here, I'm taking this off.
oh, now she want to talk normal.
Alexandra was
Reality
charged
hitter.
with child neglect without physical harm. On February 6, 2024, She pled not guilty to the felony child neglect charge. Later, the case was placed into a pre-trial diversion, which included 1 year of testing probation. What do you think of this case?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.